Hello everyone, today we're going to discuss some essential tips for getting started with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has gained immense popularity in recent years, and understanding how to acquire it can be a game changer for your financial future. 1. Educate yourself. The first step to getting started with Bitcoin is to educate yourself about its underlying technology, blockchain, and cryptocurrency in general. Read books, watch videos, and engage with forums and communities to gain a solid understanding of the subject. 2. Choose a reputable exchange. To buy Bitcoin, you'll need to find a reputable and secure exchange where you can trade your fiat currency for Bitcoin. Do your research and look for a platform that has a good reputation, a user-friendly interface, and low fees. 3. Enter your payment information. When purchasing Bitcoin, you'll need to enter your payment information, such as your Bitcoin wallet address and a verification code sent to your mobile device. Make sure to keep this information secure to avoid falling victim to scams. 4. Buy small amounts at a time, instead of investing all your savings in a single Bitcoin purchase. Start with small amounts and gradually grow your holdings. This will help you manage risk and prevent sudden losses. 5. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and trends in the Bitcoin space. This will help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve when it comes to buying and selling Bitcoin. In conclusion, getting started with Bitcoin can be a rewarding experience, but it's essential to approach it with a solid understanding of its underlying technology and by following ethical guidelines. Remember to educate yourself, choose a reputable exchange, enter your payment information carefully, buy small amounts at a time, and stay informed. Good luck!